Hello and welcome bei Englisch ganz easy, wo du ohne Stress und Vokabelpauken und ohne Grammatikregeln durch einfaches Zuhören Englisch lernen kannst. Heute machen wir mal was ganz anderes und basteln. Ich werde darauf achten, dass alles immer verständlich bleibt, damit du die Vokabeln zum Basteln gut aussaugen kannst und dabei entsteht hoffentlich eine ganz, ganz schöne Karte, die du für Freundinnen oder Freunde zum Geburtstag oder Valentinstag oder wann auch immer verwenden kannst. Die Idee für diese Karte hatte ich, als meine Freundin gesagt hat, sie wäre mal früher wannabe Rockstar gewesen. Und ich dachte, you're not a wannabe Rockstar, also ein Möchtegern, a wannabe, want to be. You're a real Rockstar for me. Und deshalb habe ich ihr die Karte gebastelt, aber vielleicht findest du auch jemanden, auf den es passt. For my friend, it's her birthday. I wanted to make her a card because she said in the past, right? Not says, but she said that she was a wannabe rock star and then she became, she became a teacher. But I think she is a rock star. She was a rock star and she is a rock star. And not just wannabe. She's a real rock star for me. So that's why I made her this card. And I think you can do it too. And we learn some English on the way. What you need is some cards or just cardboard. Paper is too thin. Like you want real, like this, something that's a little thicker, like not so thin. This paper, this is too thin. Okay, that's not okay for the card. But this paper, this is okay for the card. So thicker paper would be good. I have an old set of cards. You can open them like this. But it's okay if it's like this. That's okay too. And it opens like this. You just have it like that to read it, and that's okay. A pencil, not so pretty. A normal pencil is okay. This one is a normal pencil. It is grey. You need an eraser or a rubber. In Britain, you need a black pen. You need some scissors. And you need the printed out paper. And you need to print out the paper. Now, you take the paper and turn it over. So, not on here with the writing. You take it and you turn it over. You flip it over. You take your pencil, not like this, like you write. You put it like this. And you go over it. Everywhere where there's writing, everywhere where there's writing, you go over it with a pencil. Just do it quickly. Quick, not slow. Do it quick, no problem. Now, you put your card this way. Turn this over. You put it on top. Now, you just draw over this. Oops, not a problem. I'm on the lines when I can. That is the trick. It's not perfect, and that is okay. That's the S of star. ROCKSTAR. And you can see your design is now on here. Now you take a black pen and you just draw over it. It's not a problem when it's not perfect, because you can take an eraser and just take the pencil away. In England, an eraser is a rubber. In America, don't say rubber because that is a condom. And you don't want to ask for a condom in school. Now you erase all the pencil marks with your eraser or your rubber. Take a good eraser or an okay one, not the cheap one. The ones on the back of the pencil, they're very cheap. They make it not nice. That's not good. Okay, now you need colored pencils. So now we color this and we add some lines in a darker color to make it look more like rocks. I think we want some shadow. So let's add some shadow under here. Just very light. Like this. See, now it looks heavy. Just next to the letters, a little bit under, but not much under. A little bit next to. The pen is next to the paper. Do it next to the letter, and maybe a little bit under. This is under the card. This is next to the card, but not so much. Okay, maybe a bit more. Maybe some shadow under here too. Oh, what does that look? Oh yeah, that's good. Let's do that. Oh, I think that looks a little bit better. Some shadow under here and on there. Okay, and jetzt, and now we write. You can do that in your writing. I like to do this. You. Don't forget this. Your. This is for the A. You are, right? You're a rock star. Now we add why our friend is like a rock star for us, or why our friend is like a rock, and why they are a star. Why, warum. Okay, so rock solid friend. Das heißt super feste Freundin. Freund oder Freundin, ne? Kann man auf Englisch nicht erkennen. Und rock solid, da kann man sich felsenfest drauf verlassen. Rock solid friend. You can write what you want for your friend, but this is good. At the end you write you. Das wäre fast ein J geworden. You just rock. You rock means like you're super cool. And my friend is a drummer. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. She's a drummer. So I'll write rock drummer. And she is always there for others. Das heißt immer für andere da. Rock hard. Discipline. And now you have to think for yourself. Why is your friend like a star for you? You shine, I write, because stars shine, right? It's like in German, scheinen, stars shine, but it's S-H-I-N-E, stars shine. And she just glows, she shines from the inside out. She's such a great person. I write that she's a guiding star. A guiding star is a star that guides you on your way. If your friend guides you, if your friend, wenn euer Freund, eure Freundin euch leitet, dann könnt ihr das auch aufschreiben. Guiding star. It's not perfect. Now it's all thick. And this is a thin line and this is a thick line. I don't really like it, but it's not a big problem, I think. It's not a problem for my friend. She's very cool. She's a star for comprehensible input as well. She teaches with comprehensible input too. And her students absolutely love her as well. Students als SchülerInnen auf Englisch, nicht Studenten, also auch Studenten, aber Pupils oder SchülerInnen, kann man sagen. Genau, irgendwas fehlt noch. She's a star at organizing things. I think that's it. The card is finished. You can also take good paper. Can you see that this is watercolor paper? Paper for watercolors. Then you can make it with water and paint. It looks better, a little bit better than this. And you can write your message for your friend. Your message, you write message is Botschaft. You can write your message for your friend in here. This card my daughter made. My daughter is 6 years old. She made this card. I made that with a black pen, but she had the colored pencils. She made the shadow herself, and I think her rock looks so nice. And this is the inside of the card. We have hearts. How many hearts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And how many birds? Do you want to count?
Of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15.
14, 15. Yeah, absolutely.
15.
I love her card. What did I do? Let's wash this out quickly. Not so clever. Ich hoffe, die Karte ist schön geworden. Und wenn es dir gefallen hat, dann sag doch gerne mal, was wir als nächstes basteln sollen. Ansonsten würde ich wieder dazu übergehen, Geschichten zu erzählen, wenn das vielleicht besser ankommt. War jetzt mal ein kleines Experiment, ob vielleicht mal was basteln auch Spaß machen würde.